Well, good day, everybody. This is Scott with S&J Hardware, and today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about our 3-position sling plate. These parts are included with all of our magazine extensions, and it allows you to have a sling plate to loop your shotgun sling through, and you could mount it at 9 o'clock or 6 o'clock, or you could even mount it over at 3 o'clock based on how you put it on your extension. If I was going to mount it at 3 o'clock, I would do it like this, 6 o'clock like this, and then you'd have to turn it over and flip it around, and then this would be 9 o'clock. So you have to determine that before you put it on your extension. So let's say I want it at 9 o'clock. This is how I would orient it. You need your magazine extension, and you put this sling plate over it. And then this is a split ring, and it just holds it in place so it won't fall off. And I'll show you how to install this. It has 2 holes in it, and you need a tool like this, which is a split ring pliers. This one happens to be made by Performance Tool. The part number is W1159, and I just looked online, and you could get them for as low as $8.99 all the way up to $16.99 at O'Reilly Auto Parts, but they come with different tips that you could adapt the tool to different jobs. These tips have a right angle, which works best for this. So how you do this is you position your sling plate, and again, this one's going to be 9 o'clock. As you look at the clock, this is 12, 3 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 9 o'clock. This will cradle the bottom of your barrel, and it will move as it should. But let me show you how to get it on here. You grab your split ring, you put the tips of this tool in these holes, and then you spread these apart and put this over all the way down, and then you let go, and then it'll snap in place like that. So that split ring is now in the groove holding this so it cannot come off any longer. Okay? The sling plate is optional, which means you could choose not to use the sling plate. But if you want to sling on your shotgun, this gives you a convenient spot to loop the nylon sling through there. Okay, so I just wanted to do a quick tip for you today. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, please email me at sales@sjhardware.us. Thank you.